Ka video kelas apriang ha kasini ublay jong katayo ha kabawe doktor ka veterinary rengkat bat kato kani kipat ba kilalit banyanya bat keno bakisipai BSF kila phala wi kijan pong yo ni doktor bat kisipai BSF kila berngam ban siat yap yo uniu doktor ulong ba ki BSF kila thombori u kat baudang nit kwai dokha kawi kawa bat kisipai BSF kila bad yu bat toket de kabale don bor bat ularing ru de ka video ya kani kajingle kisipai BSF bat kini kisipai kila kini ke mobile phone bat bathayu ban laulut ikijan pong rengkat bat kajing berngam ru ban siat yu ha kini kajing elang kablalum du ba preston tensong uba kemiru ya ketenat korbari kejela lawan baneshim benta du inspector general ke BSF UMS Dihilon u director general ki pulet kejela u Dr. LR Bishnoi bat ki officer kejela ki bakmi ya ketenat korbari Habai kran bagi nong patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingelang uba preston tensong uloong ba kwa asyo bani kran halor ke jingja hamok tapur namar baya kene ke jingja ladat bani penbet no halor ke jingdawa bantung ya ke kenhon ban toket halor ke jingsha tombor u officer sarkar usembut menteri rang ba ke jela uloong ba kene ke jingja kadai ke beladat bani penbet batkan bha bani klet no namar keladat bani penbet badi sengutuk jingmut kumta kam dan kam syuk bani kran ke beladat ja Renang ni syakmat kan don no ka coordination committee Ulito bagi sarkar jela kelasya mekarai bantau wiki standing coordination committee hakaleng kijaka kaput bat kari Bangladesh ban pet jinglong jingman kisnong kitau ki badan hakathan kaput bat kari Bangladesh bantem yakino kino kijingja na jinge per jingmut Uba preston tensong ulong ru bantau ya ka coordination committee haman laki civil subdivision ki badan hakathan kaput bat kari Bangladesh bat ankle yaki da subdivisional officer civil bat gidkhot kin kentop ya subdivisional police officer SDPO company commander ke BSF ki klet nong senchar shnong bat kani ka committee kani kendo shisien na arsian na kashibnai ban penbet yakino kino kijinge per jingmut ne wat haba amdon kino kino kijingja
took place in the border. So you can tell us something about that incident.
Yeah, that incident which has happened on the border, the issue has been resolved yesterday only, and that also very amicably, and that was an unfortunate incident that has been alleged by that person, and we are inquiring into the issue, and given the background of the discipline of the force, given the morale and motivation of the force, given the other aspects of the force, sensitivity of the area, everything will be taken care of. See, like the things are under process, and already, as I had told you, that yesterday everything was sorted out with Dr. Boam and with the local NGOs, with the local headmen, with the local civilians, with the police force out there, with the SDO out there, and our company commanders. All were present at the Almaram place, and it has been sorted out amicably. And we assure you that in future and till now also, we have been working for the welfare of the people, and we will keep on working for the welfare of the people.
Now that is why the coordination was lacking earlier. To strengthen that only, now they have decided that coordination committee will meet up every month. Even if there is no incident in the area, still they will keep meeting to strengthen the understanding and trust. And we have decided that if any misunderstanding is there, so the BSF company commander or the local officer, he should intimate the nearby police station immediately, so that the language and other communication problem will not be there. And till the local police arrives, they should not take any further action. So they agreed for that. That is just to strengthen the coordination only. Then let the preliminary inquiry be conducted from the BSF side, and once the report comes, after that only we will take up.
So FIR has been filed by the particular government officials who have been harassed by the BSF?
No, he has not filed any FIR formally, but only he complained to the local, and then we have taken the matter with the BSF, because BSF was directly alleged that they were misbehaving the veterinary surgeons.
So what steps is the government taking right now to ensure that things do not escalate at the area there?
Now that is what I have explained you, that government will be issuing notifications, constituting a coordination committee, not only in Amlaram subdivision, but other subdivision like Sohra, like Dalus, and like Panarsuna. In every subdivision, one coordination committee will be there. Every month they will organize one meeting involving the community leaderships, the citizens of the border villages, the local police, the civil administration and the PSF.
Tiadin mengenai keren nilai yo ikut report detail dan mereka basung tunat kolomba mending hapo angte hapo amlarem kadon ka meeting hakaba lakon bin da USDU civil jong ka amlarem hakaba ya don lang da kaliang jong ki PSF la don lang ru na kaliang ki bos nong ki bortau na kaliang jong ki police te kilari resolve ya kan isu ya ki differences porok hoit menta kampron ka isu tengam ko acu ban batai kata den rei ka ka ba nasim ni karai mentakas ni kalong ba nang li sekmat namar kum kini ki jajing jia kila ban jia nakapor syapor kum bakala jia menchua bat kala jia men kini ki kendia sengi lesi yo kan jia shu de ngalai sim ya karai haga ban nakaliang jong ka BSF ru nakaliang YG obar represent nakaliang jong ki BSF ru kila menjur ba kan donno ka coordination committee ka bagi ong ka standing coordination committee haparo ki area jong kaneka border hap den ka Bangladesh pat India hakaba ki SDO civil jong ki tu ki jaka kinlong ki chairman jong kaneka coordination committee nangta USDPO nakaliang ki police undai ulong member nangta susu company commander jong ki BSF kinlong ki member bat kumju ru nakaliang kinong sensasnong ki bahap akitu ki area kinlong ki khot jong kanega committee hakaba kin ye kren ye ki issue ki bakher bat ba kin ya resolve ane kin find out ya kalenti ka basu tenat kenang ba kanung don kanung kondo kijing ya sutu bakala hang yang tai kham tam hapdeng ki ba bat ki BSF lani hapdeng jong ki BSF bat ki police jong ka state police jong ka sarkar ka jingiro tinglai sim negarai hakaba lasai lani lesiski ka negran notification ka sami rengkat bat ki terms of reference na ka benta kanika coordination committee hakaba kan sedang no sundon ban syong halaki jong ke jaka kumangoi pi ban like kini ki aka ki jingjia ki basongsi nang ni semat